Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back again. In this session, we are going to discuss about one of the important standard report that is check_CM. In my first video, I have discussed about a report called SDR QCR21, which will be used in removing the inconsistencies data in MD04 transaction code. Similar way, in case of any issues related to credit management in order or delivery, then we can use this report which will give you the detailed information about the credit related data during creation of the transaction order or delivery. Okay, suppose a order or delivery is not credit blocked, even though it could have been credit blocked. For example, the credit limit has been exceeded for the customer, or any critical field has been changed, like payment conditions, fixed value dates, additional value dates, or payment card authorization has been failed. FI related credit check has been failed. Similar way, there might be so many reasons why order should go into credit block, but even though in this case it's not going into credit block, in some other cases order should have credit blocked, but it's not going to credit block. And we can understand what kind of credit check has been performed, automatic credit check or simple credit check, and what credit account has been determined. In VBAK table and LIKP, we have field called KNKLI. This is a payer account number, and what credit control area, what risk categories, and what kind of checks like static or dynamic checks maintained OV8, or any critical fields has been changed, like payment conditions, fixed value date, and additional fixed value dates. And if any custom logic has been added in the user exit of LVK-MP-FZ1 or LVK-MP-FZ2. And it's unclear how the sales document updates the credit data, or the expected credit data not updated into the credit exposure. So whatever might be the reason, any issues means we can simply use this predefined tool provided by SAP check_CM. This report can be used in case of both SAP Classic Credit Management or SAP Credit Management, that is FSCM. However, in case of FSCM, due to some limitations or design changes, some data are missing, or it might be marked as red. For example, like credit status, the field is CMPS_CM in table VBAK is not shown in the report. Credit account KNKLI or CTLPC are missing in case of FCM related transactions. The reason here is that KNKK table is obsolete in case of FSCM, and there is no version for UKM_FSCM for check_CM report. So in our next video, we will discuss about how to use this report and what data we can see from this report. Thank you.